Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable contactless payments for your Revolut debit card. It's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up the Revolut application. Once you are inside the app, go to the home page. On the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen where you can select the cards feature, and here you will see all the debit cards that you have. It doesn't matter which types of cards you have. This option works with all physical cards. Just go to the original, or any of your physical cards, and go to settings. In the settings menu, if you scroll down, you will find this feature under the security tab, and here it is, contactless payments, and you can enable it, and this way you can just pay with your card by tapping it. Be careful, this feature is not in any shape or form in contact with the Apple Pay system. That's a whole different setup. This is only for the physical card. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.